Ever wanted to create a product group or a link to a group of products that would feature your more affordable products or even one that features your more expensive products? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So we'll start here from the dashboard. And to do that, we're just going to go down here to the inventory and we're going to go to the product groups submenu. From the product group submenu, you're going to want to go here to the top right and click on the plus icon. Now, for the plus icon, you go here in the title and you can put here expensive, or affordable products. So it's up to you what type of product group you'd like to make. And for the field name, you're going to want to search for price. Now, this is where the magic happens. You can now choose what products will be in this group based on price. So for the more affordable range, you can put here X amount to X amount. And for the more expensive range, you can put the X amount to X amount as well. All right, I hope that helps. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.